Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to enter five numbers and print the average. So given five numbers as input to the Python program, so your task is to print the average of these five numbers. So that is the problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So let me use the for loop to ask a user to enter all the five numbers. So let's use for underscore in, let's use a range of 5. So this will iterate from 0 to 4 and try to get the all the five numbers from the user. So let's use input function call within the for loop. So let's take a temp variable in order to store the, that is numbers. So let's use the input function call to ask the user to enter a number. So let's say enter a number. Yeah, so once the user enters a number, so it will be of string type. So let's convert from string type to an floating type number. So if the user enters a floating type number, so this will be helpful. And if the user enters an integer, so floating, it'll become a floating type. So once we are done asking a user, so we have to add this to the, that is sum. So we have to make a sum of this. So let me take another variable, that is at the start. Let's take total variable and let's initialize it to 0. So we will be adding this temp value, that is user entered value, to the total. So let's take total variable plus equals to, so this is the addition operator, and we'll be adding a temp variable, that is user entered value. So once the for loop completes, so it will be, that is total will store all the sum of all the five numbers. So we have to average it out. So let's take another variable, that is average, and yeah, so let's try to get the average, that is take the total variable and try to divide it with the 5. So this will give us the average. And once we are done getting the average variable, that is value, so let's use a print function to print the average, that is average of five numbers is, so let's give colon and let's try to print the average over here. Yeah, so I'm using print formatting F over here and trying to print within the flower braces. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to ask a user to enter five numbers and print the average. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So running the main program, so enter a number. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can see average of five numbers is 3. Closing it. So let me run it again. So enter a number. So let's say 1.2. Let's say 2.3. So let's say 4, 5 and 6. So you can see average of five numbers is 3.7. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to enter five numbers and print the average of all the five numbers. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.